Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Hello Mobile Jet. Today I'm gonna show you how to you can unlock Samsung Galaxy S8 screen lock. So follow the method. First, press all buttons same together. When device turn off, release the volume down button. Yep, now release the volume down button. Yeah, all button now I release. As you can see, it's going recovery mode. Oh, it's showing no command, so you have to press volume up, volume down and power button same times. No, it's not working. Press once again. Yep, now it's gone. Finally it's gone recovery mode. Now go to the down, wipe wipe data factory reset. Now press the power button. Now go down, select yes and press power button again. That is now wiping. Yeah, now it's showing. Now reboot the device, reboot system. Now press power button. One more thing, if you want to know how to unlock FRP lock, please check my description, and if you are new, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.